Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your volume mixer is not working, watch this video for the fix. So normally the volume mixer should work when we right click on the sound button. We can click on open volume mixer and it should be able to function. But if it's not for any reason, then the first thing we need to do is we need to run the audio troubleshooter. We can do that by right clicking on the start button, looking for settings. We can click on system. Then we need to scroll down to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we can click on run audio troubleshooter. That should normally fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then we need to restart the Windows audio service. We do that by looking for services and looking for the Windows audio service. Click on that, right click and click on restart. If that too doesn't work, then the final option left is to update the audio and video drivers. So for that, what we do is we go to device manager, click on this. So we do this folks because sometimes what happens is these drivers can cause the problem with the mixer. So we expand the audio inputs and outputs, and we one by one will update all of this. We'll right click on this and click on update driver, again right click on this update driver, and we'll do this for the all the devices under the audio inputs and outputs. If this video fixed the issue, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.